the Protoss lid.
This one's no good. I've got two.
And there's the
This
packaging.
one's got the stuff in the way. There we go. Oh, how do you go to work in trees, Paul? Do you go in green camouflage?
Aye,
Yeah.
every time.
Especially when somebody's working
Green and
in
black.
with the occasional bits of brightness.
The unboxing of
Oh, another box.
SMH5. No, I'm just saying we were told this is better than the tree surgery helmet cams.
Oh right, yes.
So we've went down the road of...
These are better.
Oh.
There's little bits.
Oh.
There we go.
It looks like microphones and side attachment things.
Oh, they might have stamped the... If there's a thing, do they do that these days? Stamp the, dealer stamp for warranty?
Do they even give you warranty these days? You know, just say it's...
That's a good thing.
No.
What's that? It was meant
Oh,
to
you do realise that this is the 21st century, big man. We don't actually expect stuff to work that well anymore.
quick reference guide. We might need that.
Okay.
And safety precautions.
Safety precautions.
Yeah. Probably says don't swallow it.
We have... See, I'm just going to go start opening shite and Alistair's going to do it properly.
Yeah, so there should be two of each thing in separate bags.
Yes.
You can buy these individually, and this is a pair in the one box instead. So yeah, what have we got?
We've got what looks like a clamp.
Oh, it comes with an Allen key, so that's a good start.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yep. Foam bits. So is there two of everything?
There's two of everything. That's our two wee
rows.
rows.
In that case.
Two wee rows of...
Does it have buttons on
No. Just two wee screws.
It's just a clampy thing, no electronics. So this is the clamp thing for holding the gubbins on the lid.
I take it these are...
They're speakers.
Earphone? Sorry.
Yeah. Earphones or speakers, so they will be going inside the
28 years at tree surgery and we've got some technology.
What? Hey?
What was that?
Can't hear you for this noise. Speakery things. As it says, 32 ohms and 0.2 watts.
Okay, the big
that
bag.
Plugs into a good roofer.
Two bits of foam stuff.
Nothing.
Is that stuck to that? No, it wasn't.
The question is which sides it will. We have a quick start. That might tell us.
And we've got this, which this looks like a little tiny mic.
Oh, that is a wee mic, yes. So in that case, there's two microphones that come with the thing. There's the boom microphones in the packet here.
Yeah.
And there's the wee guy. The wee one, sticky on.
Where's he meant to go? This one? Oh, right, full face helmet type stuff.
Yes, that's yeah. Quick start guide here showing us that the device goes on the left hand side of the lid. So that's the bracket.
Right, we've got a bracket here, 3M with the
Yep.
doodah. You get the same? You're on the same? Oh no, you're on the clamp.
Yeah, so what is that one working?
Well, I'm
So
not.
that's a
That's
stick
sticky on with a clip on it.
So we've got a clamp one, so that the bit there in front of the cameras.
Yeah.
This thing here.
Yes.
The electronics will slide down onto the roofer.
Onto that.
Yeah. So we've got a cast
Does
clampy
it
one.
slide down onto that as well?
Yes.
Ah.
We've got a sticky one.
Right. So leave it on or
Either
no,
clamp it.
it's not a leave it on or take it off. It's a stick it on or have it removable. I suppose.
With the clamp bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the thing is, the gubbins slide off the bracket. These shells might be a wee bit on the thin side, I don't know where that.
For the clamp. Right, then we've just got a whole dose of 3M sticky things.
Yeah, so you can stick bits in, so there'll be sticky bits for the speakers, there'll be sticky bits for all sorts of things. These are spacers, is what these are.
Right.
So it's a foam block with Velcro,
Uh-huh.
hook on one side and loop on the other side. The speakers have got hook on them, so they can Velcro onto the full
Right.
spacers
Right.
to bring them closer to your ears. But these are low profile roofers,
Yeah.
so we probably don't want these in this instance. Take the foam out, metal clip together, this could be interesting. What have we got in here? Of the sticky pads, there are.
Yeah, that's shaped, but that's what you see. And that, right?
Yep, okay.
Bonk. Right.
So, the idea I think will be that these Velcro bits
Uh-huh.
stick inside there,
Uh-huh.
and your speakers
Stick onto them.
Velcro onto these
Stop
guys.
them moving about.
Now Mr. Protoss knows that these things come out.
Oh look, he's taking his off.
He made look getting the foam out of the keys. Turns out. Oh, for goodness sake.
You need some finger strength. Pinch them out.
Like so. There we go.
So, don't want the spacers.
Sorry, what?
Exactly. How do you get the wires in and out of this?
That's a very good question.
Lockers attaching to me.
Yes. So we've got a short side and a long side for around the other side. Goes to the back.
Oh shit.
Shape to the back for your plug shapes. That's fine.
So sticky on the this side of it? No. Velcro on that side of it? No.
Yeah, stick the sticky pad inside the ear pit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that's Velcro on that side. Now we want the wires, I take it, going up
Well, I'm going for the going up.
into the lid.
Yep. Into the lid. And, you know,
This might be a real pain in the bum.
never mind getting the phone back in. Getting it out was tricky enough. We might want to, if that's now pressing against our lugs, we might want to move the speakers to the sides. Who knows? I'm taking this opportunity to increase the tension on mine. Maybe. Nope,
There's a whole cable.
another
Click.
link on that.
Is that a dog bark?
That was a dog bark.
Right.
Somebody's been fanning about, haven't they?